Hello, welcome back to Katina Willis TV. Hi, I'm Katina. Today I have something special for my ladies. Okay, I want to talk to the ladies today, especially ladies who might feel unsatisfied, at their in life or at their current employer. Okay, I want to tell you about two hot careers that are really good for women who are go-getters, women who are self-starters, women who are tired of the stale monotony and all that stuff at your 9 to 5. If you want something new, exciting, and with unlimited earning potential, you want to stay tuned and hear my recommendations. All right, so thank you for coming back and watching this video. So first, I want to talk about becoming a real estate agent. All right, so what it takes to become a real estate agent is if you are driven, if you like to take care of things, if you are organized, a real estate agent might be a great career for you. All right, so a lot of people get it confused when they think about realtors. Many often think that there's one type of realtor or we all do the same things, when in actuality, that's not true. The real estate career, the real estate profession, there are so many levels. And that's one of the things that I really love about the real estate profession is that you could be a commercial realtor. You could be a realtor who only works with luxury home buyers. You could be a realtor who only works with investors. You could be a realtor who only does the listing agent portion, which is marketing the homes, putting the homes on the market, getting the photos and the videos taken. Or you can do a combination of helping the buyers and helping the sellers. All right, so I do recommend becoming a real estate agent if you want to quit your 9 to 5 and kind of transition into becoming your own businesswoman or eventually creating your own company. My second recommendation for anyone trying to transition into a new career, any woman, all right, my second recommendation would be a business funding agent. All right, a business funding agent, you primarily work from home or from your office. You take phone calls or you text, you send information to connect business owners with lenders who will fund their business, okay? And the benefit of this type of career is that a lot of banks, okay, they take months and months for approval. The SBA, the Small Business Administration, months and months for approval. So business owners, a lot of times they need money right now. They might have a opportunity in front of them that costs, that makes them need money, need additional funding. So a lot of truckers, restaurant owners, people in the healthcare industry, there are so many people you can help. So open your mind. Let me know below in the comment section if you have any questions about these two careers. I would love to help. Again, if you are thinking about transitioning into a new career and you're a woman, all right, two great careers that I recommend are becoming a real estate agent or a business funding agent. Both of these, a real estate agent, I know it looks like you're in the field a lot, showing homes and everything like that, but there are different levels to being in the real estate industry. So everybody is not, always on the ground and in the streets and in the cars, running around showing homes. Some people love showing homes and some don't. So I just want you to keep an open mind and know that the real estate industry can take you to so many places. And it's such an exciting career. You get to meet so many interesting people and you just learn and grow as you go. If you've learned anything or if you like anything about this particular video for women, for the ladies, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Now, if you are a realtor, if you're already a licensed realtor and you want information about different real estate brokerages, or you just have some questions for me, go ahead and drop them in the comment section below. I would love to reach out, or you can also schedule a consultation as well if you are currently a licensed realtor. So again, thanks for watching this video. Thanks for returning to Katina Willis TV. This is the place if you want to learn about loans, homes, real estate, credit, mortgages. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.